Welcome, and let me introduce you how I build an entirely intranet with N8N and Notion. Each training course is pre-configured with content, frequency, and target profiles. When a manager clicks on the Schedule button, it automatically triggers an N8N workflow. The scenario retrieves the training course, reads the period and the list of employees concerned according to their position, then creates the planned training instances by session, month, or quarter, and enrolls each person in the right instance. The result: the annual schedule is ready, managers are assigned, dates and reminders are set, and progress is updated in the dashboard without re-entry. Once the instances have been created, each employee has only one thing left to do: open their Notion space and click on the link to their personal training course. Everything is already there: the content, the modules, the date, and the actions to be completed. Users can track their progress directly on the page, step by step, without having to search through folders or emails. And on the supervision side, we have a clear overview: who is registered, who has started, who is behind schedule, and what the completion rate is for each team. Of course, deadlines can be fully automated. Reminders, follow-ups, rescheduling, and even the creation of the schedule for the following year. Thanks for watching. With Notion and N8N, this project helps structure processes, automate monitoring, and leverage AI to save time on a daily basis.